Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It's September 11th. We've got the grains right now, as far as corn, down about a penny and a quarter. Beans are about unchanged, with wheat about unchanged. So more of a quieter day than what we've seen. We may end up seeing a little bit of short covering here today again. Maybe for beans, some follow-through strength in corn and wheat. We had seen that overnight. But the primary focus is going to be this crop report tomorrow. So that's going to be the focus that we've got to really pay attention to. USDA, the average guess here for corn yield, a 153.7. That's down from 154.4 last report. And then for beans, a 41.2. USDA right now is at a 42.6. So they're looking for more than a bushel decline in these beans. But a pretty quiet trading day yesterday. We may end up seeing that again here today. Guys trying to even up and get in position here for this report tomorrow. That does come out at 11 o'clock. Some other news out there as far as grains that may affect things today. The China National Oil Info Center came out with their projections as far as their corn crop. 215 million tons is what they're projecting them at. That's about 4 million more than where USDA is right now. So with that, they also lowered their usage, their corn usage. China's imports, they're expecting to see about 5.5 million tons, where USDA right now still has them at 7 million tons. So there's going to need to be some adjustments made there. But that information did come out here last night, and we'll see if we pay attention to that here today, or if USDA makes any adjustments on this coming report. So, as I mentioned, primary focus is going to be that report for grains. I don't see probably a lot of trading here today. Probably going to be lighter volume once again, like we had seen yesterday. Now, as far as weather, the 1 to 5 day forecast does have some rain coming through. Some areas looking to get some rain here tonight into tomorrow. But 6 to 10 day, a little bit wetter for the Delta. And then the 11 to 15 day coming in with some pretty decent rains across the Corn Belt. So that right now is being talked about. Now there's also a couple groups out there that are on this frost watch yet. It's not being heavily advertised, but that's just something that we've got to kind of keep in the back of our mind. This coming weekend, some guys are putting in some pretty cold weather coming into Michigan, but not a lot of guys are, I guess most of the forecasters are not suggesting that. So keep that in mind. If we start to see something like that, we're going to see this market react to it rather quick. But as of right now, not a lot of talk there. As far as early yields that we're hearing, some early yields out of Iowa coming in better than expected. Some guys are reporting that that's stuff that we probably will get the better stuff first, and then as we go through or as we get deeper into harvest, we're going to get into kind of the problem areas. But we are hearing a little bit better yields out of this early harvest as of right now. So we'll keep you posted as we get these yields in throughout the week. As far as outside markets, yesterday, a lot of reaction to the Syrian conflict. It seems that this situation is under more control now. So pretty quiet markets as far as crude oil. We were down sharply yesterday, unchanged today. The metals are just a touch higher. Gold slightly higher, silver up about 13 cents. So finding a little bit of a recovery after this big pullback that we had seen yesterday. Stock futures are flat right now, kind of sitting there with more of a quiet day, but not showing a lot of direction here this morning. As far as the livestock, you've got hogs that are up 42 cents for October once again. So very strong market there for hogs. We're at 91.25. We had seen the cash market strengthen again yesterday. The funds continue to buy this nearby contract, but also the strong technical patterns. The charts look very good right now for October. A lot of guys are asking, when is this going to come to an end? We'll have to see. But it right now it is strong, and they're finding a little strength here this morning once again. Now, as far as cattle, 25 cents higher for October, putting that at 125.35. Pretty quiet week so far overall, but the trade is still expecting maybe to see steady cash trade here with last week. Last week we were lower, so maybe we can see that again this week, but still waiting for that trade. Box beef did come in a little bit lower last night once again, so continuing its lower pattern once again. So feel free to give us a call, though. We're here to help you out. You can reach us over here at 800-262-7538, or check us out online at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today. We'll talk to you a little later. Take care.